islamicmediacentral.com/donate.
Next question, from the point of view of a woman who is undergoing menstruation, postnatal bleeding, is it prohibited or optional for them to fast? To start.
As far as the women who are undergoing the menstrual cycles or postnatal bleeding, according to our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, also in Sahih Muslim, that it is forbidden for a woman to fast who is bleeding due to menstrual cycle or postnatal bleeding. So it is not optional, it is forbidden. And the reason is because when the blood flows out in a lady, in a woman, she loses a lot of blood. And on top of that, if she fasts, it will not be good for her health. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it is His mercy that He has exempted them and made it compulsory not to fast, otherwise it may be damaging for the health. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not want to overburden any of the human beings. So that's the reason they are exempted from fasting. And even in the middle of the day, if the menstruation begins, they have to break their fast. Even if it begins a few minutes before sunset, they have to break their fast. But they have to compensate later on. But if they're undergoing the menstrual period, and if the period stops just before Fajr, even if they did not have a bath, they can start their fast. But if it ends even a few minutes after Fajr, they cannot fast.